Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mothers would practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash, and today got another fun one for Halloween. Got the Bride of Frankenstein or Frankenstein. I'm not quite 100% sure, but let's take a look. This is from Polar Lights, Playing Mantis, whatever, whoever has the mold this week. It's very interesting. I'll get into this here in a minute. It's been re-wrapped, or re-shrink wrapped, because that's under the shrink wrap. Very interesting. Yeah, that's seen better days. Okay. Ugh. 1997 Playing Mantis. Okay. Let's start out with the instructions, shall we? Kit 5005 by Polar Lights. Here's the colors you're going to need. Very basic, doesn't have a brand. And then just kind of a little, here's what you need to watch out for before assembly type of thing. And ooh, I like the background here, all the electrical stuff and whatnot. Brick wall and a floor. Look at this, it's got a really cool looking gurney and just a bunch of really neat stuff. And then, oh yeah, by the way, here's the here's the bride. About 6 pieces, nine pieces to the bride. So, but then all this other really cool stuff. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty neat. That's it. That's all there is as far as the directions, and then you got, more of their other, stuff. But pretty cool. Let's open this up. It looks like the bride comes in some kind of plastic. Oh, look at this. It's already open. Interesting. It's like she comes in a plastic that is glow in the dark. At least that would be my guess. Hopefully her arms are in here somewhere. Oh wow, look at these beakers and such, done in clear. Ah, this looks like it's going to be fun. And some lightning bolts and other various things that that glow in the dark. Ah, here's a hand. We have a hand. We have a hand. I don't know what that is. Okay. Some of the just random parts. Oh yeah, here's the brick wall. And some of the electrical parts. Oh yeah. There's this big old thing. Two of the big old things. If I can get this out, looks like we got some chain. look like bollards. I don't know what they are, but here is part of the gurney, part of the floor. Oh goodness. Ugh. And definitely the base, the floor base. And here's her face. Here's her lovely face. I found the arms. She's been disarmed, but they're in here, and they're in this clear glow plastic, which could be interesting. We'll see. We'll see what we decide to do with the Bride. Some more clear pieces that have come off. These do look fun and interesting. These little science things. Part of the electrical. And that's it. No, I'm not putting it back in the box. Okay. And that's it. Not much to this one, it looks like. Definitely not much to the Bride herself, but definitely some of this stuff in the background. It's going to take a few minutes to build, and we'll see how this comes out. The one thing I did notice is there's going to be, so there's a lot of injector pin marks, okay, and there's a lot of these lines came together that are going to have to be removed. So it's definitely going to take some prep work to, just to get started on this. So there you go. Thanks for joining us today, folks, and we will see you again next week on The Stash.